Okay, we will now move into this next concept, that is emergency repairs. What are the things emergency repair will come? See, first regular and this preventive maintenance. What we have done previous slide are prompt minor repairs. These are only the small repair work which will prevent most emergencies. So preventive maintenance work will avoid this emergency repair. Okay, from ever happening, but sometimes problem do come. Okay, emergencies can happen at any time, so it is important to know how to quickly and efficiently fix the problem such that during the night suddenly the short circuit will takes place. So these have to be solved quickly and efficiently. Okay, for natural disasters, power loss, appliance failure, and no water, and some emergency repairs tend to be one of the most important repairs. One of the most important repairs to be comfortable and confident with. What will happen? Some suddenly natural disaster, some flood will come into the inside building apartment. So it is a one kind of a emergency repair. Power loss. Okay, some transformer burning takes place. Appliance failure. Suddenly the boiler failure will takes place. Suddenly some appliance failure such as boiler failure. Okay, and suddenly the pipe problem will come. No water. So these are to be attended very important such that the comfortability and the confidence level should be in place. Okay. Common repairs would be example fixing a leak, broken window, flooding, frozen pipes or clogged toilet. These are some of the emergency repairs you can go. So to what type of this one, each problem can have a relatively simple fix such as a leaky roof or a broken window can be patched, means can be easily repaired. Flood can be pumped out easily. Flood can be pumped out easily. Pipes can be thawed and repaired. Means repaired and repair work can be done. Toilets can be unclogged with the chemical. Okay. For the most part, emergency repairs are not permanent. Okay. They are what you can do fast to stop the problem, then have a professional come in to permanently fix it. Okay, emergency repairs are suddenly something happens, you need to attend it very in the shortest period of time. Later on some technical person will come and repair it permanently. Okay, to prepare emergency repairs the team needs a plan. That there is also a plan for emergency, which is a completed occupancy survey so that you know exactly who lives in every apartment. So all the person's name should be given, the name and phone numbers, home and work of the owner association officer that residents should notify in case of emergency. Something happens, one person who takes the in charge to do the repair work, his name and phone number both of his home should be given to the all the apartment residents. Okay, a current list of emergency phone numbers such as fire station, police, gas, hospital, electric. So all these contact numbers should be present. A current list of contractors such as who are the persons who will do, their phone numbers such as electricians, boiler service people who attend that emergency repair 24 hours a day. Why? Because what will happen if at the night 11 o'clock some power problem starts, so that electrician should come and attend within a very shortest period of time. He should not wait until the next morning. Okay, until the next morning. A resident who will take responsibility for contacting the contractor to inform about the emergency work and how the association intends to add resist. Okay, means what, a person should be there, continuous person should be there such as a service maintenance person who will take the responsibility such as contacting these persons and communicating to the committee association about this present situation. Okay, now next thing is cosmetic repair. What are these cosmetic repairs? Two things we have studied: preventive repairs, emergency repair. This is the third one, cosmetic repair. Cosmetic repairs are generally the things which make a building or an apartment more comfortable or more attractive, like painting. Means what? You have a building, it's not actually a repair work, generally not required for a structural functioning, but to make a building more comfortable for living, more attractive, you can have more lighting arrangement, you can have more ventilating arrangements, windows design, okay, some outside plastering work can be repaired, okay, such that the building's appearance is enhanced, okay. Example you can say, so these are the cosmetic repairs are neither emergencies or not the preventive maintenance. They have lowest priority when you are deciding which repairs to do the first. So okay, when you see the priority, emergency is always there, preventive next one, the last one may be cosmetic repair. So there is not a priority. This does not mean that these repairs are not important, which means these also have to be attended, okay. Sometimes a small repair can make a big difference to the quality of life in your building. What example I can give? Switching of low wattage to the high wattage light bulb in hallway, a staircase, public areas of that apartment will enhance the building appearance. No, so that is one of the cosmetic one. It can be very difficult for maintenance. It can be very difficult for maintenance and repair committee to establish the priority for cosmetic repair without disputes and conflicts. Means what? To attend this cosmetic repair, every apartment or every resident will have their own priority. He wants that bulb, high voltage bulb should be situated very near to his home such that he also get benefited. So like that, every person thinks in his own benefit. Okay, that is why the conflict will come, because there is no guideline which one should be attended. There are no absolute rules or guidelines that specify that one owner's wall must be fixed before another's floor. Means what? They all persons are, are wanting that cosmetic repair should take place very next to his home only. Okay. Residents tend to believe that their own repair needs are more important than others, obviously, no. So every person will think that his house is more important and those should be attended first. To reduce these conflicts, it is a good idea to have your maintenance and repair committee create a procedure, clear procedure for making cosmetic repair decision. So to have a decision, they should have a clear procedure and carefully explain the procedure to all the owners, all to the owners. Okay, cosmetic repair includes for the following surfaces. Cosmetic repair services are provided for the following building surfaces. What are those? Glass surface repair means what? Glazing you can do, coloring of the glass, tinting of the glass you can do, one of the cosmetic repair. Bricks and stone coloring matching, okay, in front of his house front wall only can be arranged with a brick or stone with some coloring pattern, okay. Ceramic tile repair work, okay. Cladding repairs, interior and exterior. Cladding means what? Some applying the furnished wood panels, furnished wood panels to the interior and exteriors. Flooring works, new type of mosaic flooring, any extra architecturally attractive flooring can be adopted, okay. Marble and granite cosmetic repair work, okay. Workshops, countertops repair, okay. Worktops means what? On a furniture, the top of the table of the maze, chair, okay, that worktops or countertops can be repaired first. Laminate the surface repairs. Lamination means what? Applying a smooth vinyl flooring, okay. Powder coated surface, it will give a very smooth and a very pleasant look to the ambience. Lighting repairs, okay, lighting repairs can also be done.